Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A4 seats. First, always disconnect your car's battery to avoid any electrical problems. Next, you'll need to remove the plastic covers at the base of the front seats, then unbolt the 4 securing bolts. Once those are out, carefully tilt the seat back to reach and disconnect all the electrical harnesses underneath. With the wiring free, you can then carefully lift the seat out of the car. Moving to the rear seat base, this part is usually quite straightforward. You'll find 2 retaining clips located at the front edge of the seat base. Simply pull up firmly on the front of the seat to disengage these clips. Once released, you can slide the entire seat base forward and then lift it completely out of the vehicle. Just double-check that no wires are connected before you remove it. For the rear seat back, begin by looking for any bolts or screws that might be securing its lower section. Once those are removed, you'll need to lift the entire seat back upwards. This action disengages it from the hooks located at the top. With the hooks free, you can then carefully maneuver the seat back out of the car. Always check for any hidden fasteners or clips before applying force. When working with car seats, safety is paramount. Always disconnect your car's battery before touching any electrical components. Keep all your bolts and small parts organized in a labeled container to avoid losing them. During reinstallation, ensure all electrical connectors are securely reattached. Finally, after everything is back in place, thoroughly test all seat functions, including any airbags, to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.